Welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the All-Share Index closed at 23,709.44 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.356 trillion naira in 3,573 deals, meaning it appreciated by 0.06%. The equities market resumed on a positive note as investors gained 7.6 billion naira. At the close of trading, market recorded 20 gainers to 8 losers. The top 3 gainers for equity were Unilever Nigeria, Mobil and May & Baker Nigeria, while Union Diagnostic and Clinical Services, Jais Bank and Champion Breweries were among the top losers. FBN Holdings, Access Bank and United Bank for Africa were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.75 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 386 naira 90 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 387 naira 10 kobo to a dollar and closed at 386 naira 94 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 688.51 basis points with a market capitalization of 505.76 billion. The volume of shares traded was 12,500 and 27,500 in terms of value traded in one deal executed for the day. You can also check for updates on the impact of COVID-19 on markets and the economy on the Corona Watch Central dashboard showing on the screen. For the highlights, Wema Bank released its Q1 2020 unaudited results for the period ended March 31st, 2020, as revenue grew by 4.6% to 20.8 billion naira from 19.9 billion in the previous quarter. Profits before tax declined by 15.1% to 1.1 billion naira. Profit after tax declined by 14.6% to 977 million, and net assets also grew by 1.8% to 56 billion naira from 55 billion naira. Also, Nigerian households spent an aggregate of 40 trillion naira in 2019, with food accounting for 56.65%. The trend is reflective of the CPI, which also has the food basket accounting for about 51%. Furthermore, with the COVID-19 induced contraction in economic activities, household expenditure is expected to fall in 2020 as disposable income contracts. For the key market and economic events to watch, the Economy and Politics Chronomics discussed on Web TV will focus on COVID-19, assessment of the Infectious Disease Bill Quarantine Act with Mr. Liboros Oshoma, lawyer, public affairs analyst by 9 a.m. Also, the Market Review program will feature Mr. Abolore Salami, founder Ribi Finance, that will discuss COVID-19, how fintechs can support economic activities in Nigeria from 10 a.m. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports and to watch a live stream of the weekday Corona Watch program. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.